My name is Jeffrey Fleming. I have been here since Terry bought the dealership from Lynn Stevens in January of 1983. I started as a parts delivery driver. I went to a counterman, I went to a wholesale manager, and now I'm getting ready to retire, so now I am just kind of an advisor and a regular parts guy, and I'm going to retire in November. I learned about Feldmann Imports when we were having our Christmas party in December of 1982, and Terry Feldmann showed up, and we learned that he had bought the dealership and was going to take over on January 1st, 1983. What I like about working at Feldmann Imports, I mean, obviously I've been here a long time. It's the people. Terry Feldmann was a remarkable man. He is, as you well know, no longer with us, and his sons are equally remarkable. But Terry himself was probably one of the most instrumental men in my life. He took me under his wing, and I can't tell you what he meant to me as a person, as an individual. Everything I have, I owe to Terry Feldmann. I was 24 when I started in this business. I'm about to retire, so 40 years, and especially in the car business, 40 years in one place is amazing. What I like to do outside of work, I love to garden. I like to golf, though I'm not very good, and I am really keen on music. My favorite Mercedes right now is the GLC, the little coupe. I think that I really like the way that looks. It's not overly big, but it's just kind of tasteful. And every time I look at it, I go, you know, I'd like to have one of those. Have the Feldmanns gone above and beyond in very big ways. In September of 2012, my wife was diagnosed with stage 4 uterine cancer. Shocking moment, came out of the blue. The Feldmanns came to me to tell me that, hey, my wife was my #1 priority, work was #2. I went to every one of her chemo sessions, I went to every one of her doctor visits. I was there every time she needed me, every hospital stay. She was in the hospital for 3 times for a week at a time. When she passed away in April of 2013, the Feldmanns provided, well, they were just very, very gracious, and I'll be forever thankful for that. And they'll always be in my heart.